Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Freedom Finance Loan Broker. Review my usage experience. Freedom Finance Loan Broker. Review my usage experience offers loan broker services, connecting individuals seeking loans with various lenders. Its main purpose is to simplify the loan application process by acting as a central point of contact, potentially saving users time and effort in searching for suitable lenders. Their website provides details on the types of loans they assist with. Their website provides details on the types of loans they handle, including personal loans, secured loans, and debt consolidation options. They claim to offer a wide range of lenders and competitive interest rates. They emphasize a transparent process with no hidden fees, though specific pricing is dependent on individual lender offers. The process appears straightforward, but the ultimate success in securing a loan depends heavily on the applicant's creditworthiness and financial situation. Availability is nationwide, but individual lender participation might vary. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Freedom Finance Loan Broker. Review my usage experience. I needed a personal loan to consolidate some debt, and after hearing about Freedom Finance, I decided to give them a try. Getting started was fairly simple. Their website is clean and easy to navigate. I filled out a short application form, providing basic personal and financial information. The entire process took about 15 minutes. I was then contacted by a broker within an hour, who discussed my needs and financial situation. They didn't pressure me at all, which I appreciated. Over the next few days, I received several loan offers from different lenders, each detailing the terms and interest rates. This was incredibly helpful in comparing options. The broker also answered my questions promptly via email, usually within a day. I was really impressed by how quickly they responded and how clear their communication was. One minor drawback was the sheer number of emails. I received a lot of updates and offers, some of which were repetitive. However, the overall experience was positive. The standout feature for me was definitely the convenience of having all the offers consolidated in one place. I didn't have to spend hours searching for lenders myself. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Freedom Finance's service. While it had some minor drawbacks, it ultimately saved me a significant amount of time and helped me secure a competitive loan offer. That's my overview of Freedom Finance Loan Broker. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.